So, whitewash isn't always white. The truth is that whitewash, while in the middle of the day and with the bright sun shining on it, it appears white. There are certain areas within it which will, have shadows and reflect sky and all sorts of other things. But that is compounded late in the afternoon. So when you've got a really strong sort of light source or strong color like that, it's going to represent itself in the whitewash or in the water. And so what we'll do here is we'll paint the whitewash and all of the suds, but we'll paint them sympathetic to the light. So you might be surprised just how strong those shadows are and just how warm they are. Let's see how far we can push it with these colors. So I've moved away from the light source now, and as I move away from the light source, those shadows are going to get cooler. But what will happen is, in the shadows in here, and this is a really nice trick, as you come out here into these shaded areas, you actually use that color that you're using to depict these shadows in the whitewash out here. They become the shadows in here, like that. Okay, and then as I come out here further and add more blue as it gets cooler, the dark part of this wave will become the shadows in here. So I'll just finish off this here like that. So I've added a little bit of blue to that, and you can see that that colour's now changed in here. But then as I come in here, that then becomes the shadow in here, like that. And then this whitewash in here. Now, I don't like the way that's transitioning off there. So I'm actually going to turn this into a whitewash up here and make that wave break. This is a good thing about painting. You get to create your own world. I almost wanted to do a maniacal laugh then. Whoa. So I've added some phthalo blue to that now to make some really nice crunchy dark shadows, and always pull a little bit up into there and darken that there. Might just darken that a little bit there while I've got it, and same over this way. And that of course becomes the shadow in here, like that. So anyway, we've just gone into a little bit of the detail, or a little bit of it anyway, around whitewash and that sort of thing. I think we've got a tropical water at sunset vlog somewhere along the line. So I'm sure there'll be a link here somewhere, there maybe.